Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this AutoCAD 3D modeling drawings. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, to draw this drawing, please open the AutoCAD. This is the AutoCAD 2017 version. I erase the old one. Before we start the drawing, please type UN to check the unit. Type decibel, precision 0.00, unit millimeters, and then OK. This is the AutoCAD 3D modeling. Please choose 3D modeling. Okay. In this drawing, I will show this base part first. This is rectangles 119 and 50. Type REC for rectangle. Start the base point 190. Tab key 50. So I have this rectangle, and then I draw radius 25 cycle. Type C for the cycle, radius 25. Yes. Change the 2D wireframes. Okay, to see clearly. Then I move this cycle to the edge, and then the offset distance is 25. Type CP for copy, specify base point to 25. And then I use trim command to cut the unnecessary line. Type TR, enter, delete unnecessary line. Enter. Okay, I have this part. Okay, the H2 value is 35. So change the view to SW isometric. I use the press blue command to 35. And then another this part is 10 millimeter height. Use the press blue command to 10 millimeter height. And then I will use this drawing. This is the midpoint connection. So I use N for the move command, select objects, choose the midpoint, and then the midpoint. Okay, now I will have this the drawing line. So we don't need this drawing line. E for the erase, hit here and enter. Okay, you see, you check the drawing, change with X. Now you have okay, and then please switch to the wireframe to make a union. Okay, the complete one, solid one. Okay, and then I will show how to draw this part. Is the diameter, cycle diameter 50, and the length is the rectangle. This the same rectangle is the length is 190 minus 25, and then radius 25 here. So remaining distance is 140, and the width is 50. Okay. To draw this part, change the UCS. Okay, specify X axis, Y axis. So change the face. Okay, top view. Okay, I will choose IC for rectangle command. Select 140 tab at 8. So I have this parts. Okay, the diameter is 50. C for the cycle, diameter 50. Then I removed X cycle to here. Okay. Then the distance of the distance is 55.5 from the baseline. Type M for the move command. That object here 55.5. And use the line command to connect. Then you will use DR, the trim command. Sorry, I use the trim command. Enter. In the isometrics, the width is, the thickness is 10. Use the press through command, select here 10, 10. And then the head rate is 30, 30. And from the thickness is the 10, now the middle 10, the other 10. Okay, now I have 20 from here, from step 1. Okay, I will show you. Press through command, from this point, the height is 20. Choose the orbit, see the another one, and then use the press through command, another 10. Use the orbit command to see, so the complete height is 30. Okay, and then I will make a hole here, diameter 25 hole. Like C for the cycle, here for diameter 25. Choose the press H2 command. That here the height is 30. And for the node command, select here. Here. And then we will use the extrude command. Solid subtract command, subtract. Choose the main parts and enter. Choose the extrude. Okay. Now you have check. You have the hole. Okay. Change the 2D wireframe. Use the solid union command. Select object to combine the unique one. And then I will make the radius 18. I show you. Type F and choose failure at. Select at. Choose the radius. Radius value is 18. And then enter. Enter. Okay. And then I will use move command, and for the move, select object, choose the base point as middle one, to here the middle one. Okay, now I will combine the two units here. Okay, now the last one is this slot. Is the radius 10 slot. Okay, to draw this one, you need to change the UCX. Change the UCS, something. Change the UCX. Here, something. Here, X86, then Y86. Okay. This is the very simple XY. In Auto CAD, you will always draw XY is the format basis line, and then Z is the H2 line. Okay. Choose the top this slot is radius 10. See, for the side gear, radius 10. And then make CP for the copy that object from here. Distance is 25. Now you will use that line command to connect this path. L for the line, click here, and then click here. And then type TR for trim command. TR for the trim command. Change the isometrics. Press boots. Height is 35. Then I will use the N for the move key. Copy this point to click here and select the center point. Okay. And then I make the subtract command here. The whole unit enter the extruded unit. Okay. Then erase for the unnecessary effects. Then change the shape we add. Now you have the complete drawing. Very simple. Okay. This is the complete drawing. Very simple. And to change the layer, color, yellow. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you in next.